Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Enjoy YouTube channel. I am Hema Jain. Yesterday we have taken the fourth lesson of fifth history, that is evolution. Today we are going to start the fifth lesson. The name of the fifth lesson is Evolution of Mankind. In this lesson we will see the most evolved human beings. How the evolution takes place in human beings we see in this lesson. Then, in this lesson, the 5 important points or 5 important stages are given of the human beings. Then, don't waste a time. Let's start. The first point is Homo habilis. Homo habilis, the skilled human, was discovered in the border region between Tanzania and Kenya by Louis Leakey. He could stand on 2 legs and walk, but was not erect due to slight bend in his spine. The Homo habilis' appearance was similar to apes, but his brain was bigger than apes. He made some tools to scrape meat from the skin of dead animals. Homo habilis known as a scavenger. That means he was a scavenger. What is the meaning of scavenger? The scavenger means the person or animal who eat the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. And Homo habilis gathered eggs, wild fruit, roots and hunted small animals to eat. So, the first point is Homo habilis. In this chapter, we will see the second stage of human being, that is Homo erectus. See the main points of Homo erectus. Homo erectus could stand erect and had a more developed brain. He knew the uses of fire but had not mastered the technique of making fire. More developed and symmetrical tools such as hand axe made by the Homo erectus. His remains were found in Africa, Asia and Europe. Third point is Homo neanderthalensis. He was known as the Neanderthal man because his remains were found at Neanderthal in Germany. He was physically big, strong and his brain was more developed than Homo erectus. He made tools out of big pebbles and flakes scraped from pebbles. He knew art of making fire and ate meat roasted on fire. He used leather clothing. He communicated with others by grunt and other primary sounds. Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. Some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated to Europe and Asia. The fourth point is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means a thinking or intelligent man. What is the meaning of sapien? That is thinking and intelligent man who was more advanced than the Neanderthals. They were known as Cro-Magnon man. Then what is the another name of Homo sapiens? That is Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in Africa, Asia and Europe. They made different tools to suit different tasks. Their larynx was fully developed which could produce a range of sounds with subtle differences. They could draw pictures and make artistic objects. Let's start the fifth and last point of this lesson, that is Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. They were ancestors of the modern man, having similar appearance and health characteristics. The Homo sapiens sapiens capacity to think was more developed than Homo sapiens. Neanderthal man and Homo sapien were their ancestors. They cultivated land and grew food grains. They domesticated animals. They lived a more settled life. Their capacity to think enabled them to improve technology that enriched their lives. So, we have taken the 5 main points and 5 main stages of mankind, that is Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo sapiens, Homo sapiens sapiens. Now see the question answers of this lesson. First question is fill in the blanks. Homo is a Latin word which means, the answer is man. You can see on your screen. Second question, dash is a Latin word which means the one who uses his hands skillfully. The answer is habilis. Now check the question number 2, that is answer in one word. And you have the crossword in front of you. Clues are given downside and you have to give the answers, and after that finding your crosswords. See first one, humans who stood upright, that is Homo erectus. Second, a sound that Neanderthal could make. Which sound Neanderthal make? Grunt. Humans who use their hands, Homo habilis. Homo sapiens sapiens began to grow these in fields. What they began to grow? Grains. Pieces of stone used to make tools, that is flax. It kept Homo erectus warm although they could not make it, that is fire. Fire is the answer. You have to find out in your crosswords. A country in which remains of Homo habilis were found, that is Kenya. A way of preparing food that Neanderthals used, roast. And a tool made by Homo erectus, that is hand axe. Okay? The answers are done. Now see the answer in one sentence. See the first question. Who is said to have first made tools like a hand axe? Who made the hand axe first time? That is Homo erectus. So Homo erectus is said to have the first made tool like a hand axe. The second question is, what is heredity? Heredity is similarity in appearance and health characteristics of human beings to their ancestors. The answer is on your screen. Write it down in your notebook. Next, see the question give reason. The first give reason is the Neanderthals became extinct. The reason why they became extinct are Homo sapiens were the neighbors of the Neanderthals in Europe. Conflict with the Homo sapiens took place wherein the Neanderthals suffered. The Neanderthals failed to adapt to environmental changes. As a result, they became extinct. Second question, Homo sapiens, that means human beings could produce subtle and varied types of sounds. Homo sapiens had developed to a stage wherein they had fully developed larynx. Their jaws and muscles inside the mouth were fully developed. Their tongue was flexible. Therefore, the Homo sapiens could produce the different types of sounds. Okay? Now, see the extra question on your screen. You have to write the human beings in their chronological order. See the question, Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens sapiens, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens and Homo habilis. Answer is the first Homo habilis, second Homo erectus, third Neanderthal man, fourth Homo sapiens and fifth Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, we have seen the question answers of this lesson. Tomorrow we will meet with next lesson. Thank you very much.